A seahorse.
A seahorse.
Awesome.
What are they, Briley?
Seahorses.
Wait,
What
okay,
is-
let's practice. What is this?
Manatee.
Manatee. What's this?
A turtle.
What's this?
I read petals in there.
Okay, what's this? Clownfish?
Clownfish.
What's this? Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Do you want them all to ride in your helicopter?
Yeah.
It's quite a crew going into your helicopter.
Yep.
Where's your ducky? Did you leave it in the car?
Yeah.
She
I
told
did.
you to hold it.
Oh. Well, yeah, but she got it back.
Whoa!
Wow.
You've got the whole ocean in your helicopter! That's so cool.
What?
Yeah, let's see. Oh, yeah, they're all riding in the helicopter. How fun. Who bought you that helicopter?
Mommy?
No, Uncle Mark.
Uncle Mark.
Ah.
Third. It's gonna leave. Bye.
Oh. All right, say bye-bye.